turkey, the chicken, the parrot, the pigeon. I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. I like to eat birds. I like to eat birds. I like those birds tend to stretch a lot farther. But when I'm looking for a small snack, nothing beats a redback. I like to eat birds. I like to eat birds. I like birds that don't fly, especially the duck or platypi. Even though it's not a bird, it's got a duck bill, haven't you heard? From turkey to chicken to parrot to pigeon, I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. Turkey to chicken to parrot to pigeon, I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. When I'm out about the farm fields, a tender prairie chicken often yields a tasty morsel made for two. Come and join me, why don't you? I like to eat birds. I like to eat birds. I can eat a toucan. You can even eat a toucan. I like to eat birds. 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 From turkey to chicken to parrot to pigeon, I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. Turkey to chicken to parrot to pigeon, I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. The blue jay is really pretty, but it's really itsy bitsy, so I have to eat two of them to satisfy my little birdie with the rose runner and the plastic. So I eat a wet duck. I like to eat birds. What about white and bob? I eat a full and set my top. The kingfisher likes to eat fish, but I like to eat birds. I like to eat birds. Turkey, the chicken, the parrot, the pigeon, I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. Turkey, the chicken, the parrot, the pigeon, I eat more than a smidgen. I like to eat birds. Drum solo. I like to eat birds.